If your answer is wrong, you take the shot. If your answer is correct, Gia will take the shot. Are we good? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the 18 shots. First question. Unsay sunan ni Gia pag lunch? Pansit. Pansit. Is it pansit? Roll! Take a shot! First, thank you so much. Next one. Okay, next question. I said sapong day. Okay. What you say, Rayoy? Sige. Kailan na kabuo ang boyfriend ni Gia? Or na in relationship? Go. 5. Wala? Like in a relationship? Correct? Wrong! Take a shot! Masa na kabuo? Next. Sige. Question. Give at least one skincare of Gia. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Safeguard. Wrong! Take the shot! Naman siya magsumparay ng iniguli. Next! Question. What is the square root of 3,657? Take a shot! Bro. Ano ba yun?
Bakit na ba yung scope?
Next question. Kinsay kapatay ni Lapu-Lapu? Kinsay kapatay ni Lapu-Lapu? And we're done with our first batch. Picture. Okay, picture first with our first batch. Sir,